Who has access to your criminal record? In today's world, privacy matters more than ever. With recent discussions around criminal records, many are asking, who has access to your criminal record? This topic is trending as individuals seek clarity on their rights and the implications of having a criminal history. Understanding who can view these records is essential, especially if you are navigating job applications or legal matters. Access to criminal records is generally restricted to protect individual privacy. However, several key groups can obtain this information depending on the context and jurisdiction. Law enforcement agencies, including police and prosecutors, have access to arrest and conviction records. They utilize integrated state and federal databases to support their investigations and prosecutions. Arresting agencies submit details to these databases, which are shared among relevant entities as needed. Individuals named in the record also have the right to request their own criminal history records. This access allows them to review or correct any inaccuracies. Certain employers and licensing authorities can access criminal records during background checks, which often requiring consent from the individual. This is particularly relevant for jobs that involve working with vulnerable populations or requiring security clearances. Courts and legal representatives, such as judges and defense attorneys, access criminal records during legal proceedings. This access helps evaluate charges, defenses, or sentencing. Public access to some arrest reports and criminal records is available under specific laws, like the Access to Public Records Act. However, this varies by state and often excludes sealed or expunged records. Federal agencies and specialized units within the Department of Justice handle specific crimes and access relevant criminal records for their investigations. In cases involving international crimes, institutions like the International Criminal Court maintain public records related to prosecutions, accessible under defined conditions. Privacy protections limit access for private citizens seeking information about others, except where public records laws apply or with proper authorization. Recent court rulings have emphasized the need for specificity and legal safeguards when accessing personal digital information during investigations. This reflects growing concerns about privacy rights and the balance between public safety and individual privacy. Access to criminal records is controlled and granted primarily to law enforcement, the individual concerned, legal professionals, certain employers, and under specific public records laws. Privacy safeguards are in place to prevent unauthorized disclosure, ensuring that sensitive information is handled appropriately. Understanding these access rights can empower individuals to navigate their legal landscape with greater confidence.